When finding slope from a graph, I always recommend starting at the leftmost point. So for this first graph in blue, we're going to start at the point -2, -3, and then all we need to do is count how far we have to rise and how far we have to run to get to the next point. So that's rise 2, run 1. So let's double check ourselves. Rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. So we know our slope for this first one is 2. 2 over 1 or 2. This next example in the light green, we're not rising or falling any. So that's 0 and we're running 1. So 0 out of 1, that's just 0. So the slope for the lighter green one is going to be 0. On the darker green one, we're rising 1, but we're not running any in any direction. So we're rising 1, but we're running 0. So this one, you can't have 0 in the denominator, so this one is undefined. The way I remember these is the 0 slope up here is like the 0% incline on a treadmill. So when you have a flat surface, it's like a 0% incline. This one here, up and down, it's not possible to do that on a treadmill, well, at least not any I know. So we'll call that one undefined. It's impossible. Just like a little tip to recall. Then this final one, we're going to be falling 1 and running 1, 2, 3. So fall 1, run 3. Down 1, 1, 2, 3. Double check ourselves. So the slope for this one is going to be -1/3. Again, negative because we're falling. When you're rising, like the first example in blue, that's going to be positive.